Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 15 of chapter 15 quadrilaterals. One question is written here, question number 4. In this question, the three angles of a quadrilateral. The three angles of a quadrilateral are 76 degree, 54 degree and 108 degree. Find the measure of the fourth angle. Students, we have to find the measure of fourth angle. So the fourth angle let the fourth angle of a quadrilateral let the fourth angle of a quadrilateral be x. Let the fourth angle of a quadrilateral be x. So by angle sum property of a quadrilateral, the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 76 degree plus 54 degree plus 108 degree plus fourth angle is x equal to 360 degree. That implies add it 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 6 12 plus 6 18, 18 of 8 carry 1, 1 plus 5 6, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 7 13 of 3 carry 1, so 1 and 1 2, 238 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. That implies x equal to 360 degree, 238 degree by transposition change into minus 238 degree. So subtract it, 10 minus 8 2, here remaining 5 minus 3 2 and 3 plus 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 1. So 122 degree answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question of this exercise is question number 6. If a quadrilateral has three acute angles, a quadrilateral has three acute angles, each measuring 75 degree. Each measuring 75 degree. Find the measure of the fourth angle. Students, we have to find here measure of fourth angle. So let the fourth angle be x by angle sum property. By angle sum property. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So three acute angles is 75 degree plus 75 degree plus 75 degree. And fourth angle is x equal to the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That implies 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. 15 of 5, carry 1. 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 225 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. That implies next step is x equal to 360 degree minus plus 225 by transposition change into minus 225 degree. Now subtract it. Therefore x equal to 10 minus 5, 5 degree. 10 minus 5, 5, and 5 minus 2, 3, and 3 minus 2, 1. So 135 degree. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7. In this question, three angles of a quadrilateral are equal and the measure of the fourth angle is 120 degree. Find the measure of each of the equal angle. Here we have to find the value of each equal angle. So let the each equal angle be x. So three angles of a quadrilateral are equal and the value of each equal angle be x. So by angle sum property ASP, the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So each equal angle x plus x plus x, and fourth angle is 120 degree plus 120 degree equal to 360 degree. That implies x plus x plus x equal to 3x plus 120 degree equal to 360 degree. Next step is that implies 3x equal to plus 120 degree by transposition change into minus 120 degree. So 360 degree minus 120 degree. Next step is 3x equal to 360 degree minus 120 degree. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 240 degree. That implies x equal to 240 degree by 3 equal to 3 8 is 24. So 80 degree. Each equal angle be 80 degree. Understand and write it. Students, now next question is question number 9. It is a very important question of this exercise. In this question, in the adjacent figure, the bisector of angle A and angle B the bisector of angle A and angle B meet in a point P if angle C is 100 degree and angle D equal to 60 degree. Find the measure of angle APB. Students, first of all, in quadrilateral ABCD. In quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree by angle sum property by ASP. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. That implies angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 100 degree plus angle D equal to 60 degree equal to 360 degree. That implies angle A plus angle B equal to 360 degree minus 100 degree plus 60 degree equal to 160 degree equal to 360 degree minus 160 degree equal to 200 degree. Now half angle A plus half angle B equal to 200. Half angle 200, that means 100 degree. One by 2 into 200 degree. That implies half angle A. Half angle A. This angle is half angle A, and this angle also half angle A. So half angle A equal to angle PAB. Angle PAB plus half angle B equal to angle PBA plus angle PBA equal to 100 degree. Equation 1. Students, now in triangle APB, in triangle APB, we have to find the value of angle APB, this angle. So write angle APB plus angle PAB, this angle, plus angle PBA equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. By angle sum property. That implies, right here, that implies angle APB plus angle PAB plus angle PBA. Angle PAB plus angle PBA equal to 100 degree from equation 1. Equal to 180 degree by equation 1. That implies angle APB equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree equal to 80 degree. Answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 15. Thank you. That's all.